about makeup and positivity, and when I say positivity, I mean bringing people up, not pushing people down. Being mean is not cool. Awesome people are not mean, so be kind all the time. So I hope you guys are having a fantastic day so far. Mine was well. As you can tell, it is glamour and pajama time, so it's at the end of the day. Like I always say, there is never a time when it is not appropriate to be glamorous, especially in your pajamas. So that's why I started Glamour in Pajamas, especially sometimes because I get like some really like interesting like ideas after I've like already unwinded for the day, and I'm like, I really want to try that look, and then like you do the whole thing and you're like, oh, now I really want to show it to people. So I'm like, you know what, I'm just gonna do Glamour in Pajamas, because why not do Glamour in Pajamas? That's the question that should be asked. Why aren't you doing it? I don't even know what's going on. I'm so sorry. Oh man. Here's a funny fact though, like I say glamour in pajamas, but I actually, when I'm talking about like pajamas themselves, I actually say pajamas. I don't say pajamas. I say glamour in pajamas because it sounds better than glamour in pajamas. Yeah, glamour in pajamas just goes better, but I actually say pajamas, which is really, really weird. I know no one cared about that, but I just thought that was like an interesting tidbit to throw in there about glamour in pajamas. I'm like totally rambling. It's like 11 o'clock at night, and like I said, my day was going well, but it actually wasn't. I had a headache all day, and like I felt miserable and nauseous, and then like randomly like at 10 o'clock I started feeling better, and I'm like, I think I'm gonna shoot a video. So I'm probably like totally delirious and out of it, but that's totally fine. You know, whatever. So for this video, I used a combination of Pinky Rose's Exotic Peacock palette and a few single shadows from Lele Posh to create this very, very, very intense purple eye look. So without further ado, let's get into creating a Glamour in Pajamas eye look. Okay, so to start off, I just prime my eyes with the e.l.f. Putty Primer, which I've been playing around with, and I actually kind of really like it, so that's cool. I'm first going to go into my Pinky Rose Cosmetics Exotic Peacock palette, and I'm going to go into this color Lustful right here, which is a really deep purple. And I'm just going to go in a back and forth motion on my eye. I shot this video so out of order. I normally like don't have like all my makeup done in the beginning of the video, and I messed the whole thing up. And I'm just gonna repeat that on the other side. I'm getting a tiny bit of fallout, which is normally why, for some reason, like when I do Glamour in Pajamas, I do my face makeup first. I think it's because I sometimes will do the intro without any eyeshadow on, and it's just easier to go right into like doing the look or whatever. But I normally, like when I'm doing my makeup for work and stuff like that, I normally don't do my face makeup first because of fallout and things like that. Plus also, if I'm doing a look and I completely hate how it comes out, I don't have to worry about redoing like my whole face and everything. I just have to redo my eyes. So like that, and I just want to take a clean blending brush and just smooth that out a little bit. And then I'm gonna this brush here and just wipe away some of the fallout. I think for my brow bone, I'm gonna go into this color from Beauty Bar Baby, which is Moonstone. I'll swatch it for you right here. This is a very pretty color. And I'm just gonna pick that up on a pencil brush. You know, it needs like a better base under it. I mean, it's beautiful, but not just by itself as the highlight for the brow bone. So I'm actually gonna go into Wings from the Pinky Rose Cosmetics palette and just apply that over it. I think I can make those two colors work together, actually. Wings is a beautiful color, by the way. It's a little bit dark for this look, but we're gonna make it work. Just take the brush that I had, Lustful on. And now I want to pick up Moonstone again and just apply it to where I put wings and really blend them two together. So it like does have that purpley bluishy shift, but has like a good base under it as well. And I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but in my mirror it looks nice. So now I'm just going to take some P. Louise base and I'm going to cut my crease with a flat shadow brush. Just this one right here. I'm not very good at cutting my crease, so I know that it looks terrible. It's okay. And I'm just going to repeat that on the other side. Don't know why I felt the need to horribly sing that to you. I apologize in advance for my very bad singing. So like that. And then I want to dip into the color Purrple from Lele Posh. I feel like I sound like an idiot when I did that, but it has like two R's, so I feel you have to roll it. And I'm going to apply that everywhere I put the cut crease. So now that purple from Lele Posh is on, I just want to take my brush that I had Lustful on again, and I just want to go over the tops where the two meet. They are very, very similar actually, like way more similar than I thought they were. So yeah, but we're gonna do something. I mean, I like monochromatic looks anyway, so it's not bothering me that they're like almost identical, except one is a matte and one is a satin. So because I have wanted to get this color and use this color a lot, and I love Debbie so much, I am definitely going in to Debutawn, and I'll show you that. It's this beautiful like light purple color here. So pretty, kind of shifts a little pinky too. If you're not subscribed to Debbie, go subscribe to Debbie. She's one of the nicest people on the planet, and you won't regret subscribing to her channel. So I'm just going to take some glitter glue on the back of my hand on the small brush that I always use. And I'm going to apply the glitter glue to the middle section of my mobile lid going up to the crease. Not on the whole lid. So like that. And I just want to wait for that to get a little tacky. And I'm going to pick Debutawn up on my finger, because that's definitely another shade that works, I feel is going to work better on your finger. We're just going to apply Debutawn over the glitter glue. And then I want to pick up a little bit of the purple again and blend the two together on the sides more. So like that. So it gives it like a little bit of like a highlight kind of in the middle, if that makes any sense. Just want to pick up a little more Debutawn. Or you can just drop your brush as well. That's definitely like what I need. So it'll look like that. Now I'm just gonna repeat that on the other side. And don't worry, I'll speed you through it. So it's looking like this so far. So off camera, I just finished up this eye and I just put Tarte's Kitten mascara on my waterline, and now I'm gonna go back into that matte purple Lustful on a little brush like this, and I'm gonna apply that under my lower lash line. And then I want to take a small little blending brush and just smooth it out a little bit. And then for my inner corner, I'm going to go into Lele Posh again, and I'm going to pick up the color Kenzy, which I will show you on the back of my hand. And it looks like this, and I'm gonna put it on my inner corner. So like that. So this is the final look right here. Very purple. I feel like this is very intense. I've been doing like a lot of intense looks lately. I don't know why, but I think they're fun. So actually I really like how it came out. The colors blended together really pretty, and I really like them. Again, I like Lele Posh, so I wasn't surprised that the colors performed so nicely. And to finish up for my lips, I had put on this Flower Beauty lip gloss in the color, it's not a lip gloss, excuse me, it's a liquid lipstick, Almost Nude. And then I put Lele Posh's, sorry, I'm gonna pull it out, color Save Me, yeah, that's it, on top of it to give it a little like sparkly effect. I picked that tip up from Debbie. She put Save Me on her lips and it looked really pretty, so thank you again for that. So anyway, that is it for this edition of Glamour in Pajamas. Remember, there is never a time that it is not appropriate to be glamorous, even in your pajamas. So if you liked this video, please feel free to give it a like. If you really like this video, please feel free to subscribe. If you want to do neither one of those things, that is totally fine. Thank you for stopping by. I really, really appreciate it. I will still send you happy thoughts and positive vibes your way just for stopping by. Thank you so much. As always, I will list everything that I'm wearing on my face, as well as my Twitter and Instagram handles in case you want to follow me there. I post pictures of looks that I do not film, as well as pictures of my pets, and I think they are adorable. But of course, we are all biased when it comes to our fur babies. So anyway, from one makeup lover to another, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and remember, be you, do you, love you, bye.